So we're up bright and early. We had a bit of a wind issue the other night, and this plum tree, which I pruned back in the winter, has done its job and put on loads and loads of flowering shoots, and we have a weight of plums. And unfortunately the wind has, as you can see, damaged this branch of the tree. It just acts like a sail with the leaves, and we've got a break here. Oops. And I'm afraid this limb's going to have to come off, and that is sizable. And normally we wouldn't be doing this at this time of year, but we have no option because the tree is the important thing, and it will put on new growth. So we're trying to make a clean cut, and we will take off the right plums because there are many. It used to be that when you cut a limb off a tree, you used to paint stuff on it, but the accepted wisdom is now just to leave it. And we're doing this on a dry day, so it should be fine. Oh, and that's it away. So you can see the size.
There's a lot of plums.
And sadly, it's a bit bare on that side, so we'll tidy it up. So there you go, it's a full barrel and a bit of weight, and we've managed to get one ripe plum.
Get one plum, which tastes absolutely gorgeous.
But there's loads still on it.
What a shame.
So they're just starting to ripen, and you can see we've got this branch propped up because of the weight. But that just shows you, even an old tree like that, with a bit of nice pruning, what a surplus of fruit. So that'll be plum jam, plum brandy, plum crumble, and very regular smallholders.